This is Ruby Runabout. Welcome to Ruby Runabout. You are the adventurer and your quest is to find and return to the garage the red ruby. Blah blah blah. I'm Reggie the Ruby Thief. Lovely. Good luck, I need it. Do I continue a save game? No. Look at that music. My garage. I can see a petrol pump. Stick petrol pump in your ear. I don't understand. A simple thing. Take nozzle out, stick it in your ear. Press the button, fill yourself up with petrol. What's so complicated about that? Take pump, take it. Just take the whole pump, just lift it up. Like Chief does in One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. He lifts up the old water thing, didn't he, at the end? A sad film that. Watched it the other day. Almost brought a tear to my eye at the end. Oh dear. Let's go north. Ah, no graphics. There's a flower bed. I can see a file. Better not be a paedophile. Man's gonna fiddle with my willy. That sort of thing. I don't want to see one of them. Let's go east. A gym? I'm at a gym already. I can see a blowtorch at a gym. You sure this ain't a bloody garage? Take blowtorch. Stick blow. Oh no, that's one word, isn't it? I won't understand otherwise. Stick blowtorch in your ear. Why can't you understand that? You just take the blowtorch, you stick it in your ear, you turn it on, and you set yourself on fire. What's so hard about that? This game is stupid. Oh, I've got some graphics now. A wasp nest. I can see a wasp and some slippers. Set fire to nest and laugh. I would say a bit something a bit further, like maniacally, but yeah, they won't let me say that. Take slippers. Put slippers on your ear. Keep them warm. What's sad about that? You put the slippers, you put it on your ear and it keeps them warm. Stupid game. Take wasp. It might sting me, but you know. You can't get that. Why can't I? Put wasp in your ear. Oh, that's wrong. Ear. Place wasp carefully in thine ear. What do you understand? You get the wasp, you quickly grab it, you stick it in your ear so you can have a little buzz around there. It sounds like you got tinnitus, whatever it is, the ringing thing. Come on! Sort yourself out, game. Hit wasp's nest and stand next to a small child in the vein. Hope that the wasps think he did it and they sting the little bastard to death. Well, you might as well. Oh, to death. Oh, it's not going to understand that. I didn't type the H in the end. It would have known that otherwise. What have I got? Inventory. In. I have a file. Slippers and a blowtorch. Wear slippers. I hope they've not got Veruca, whoever owned them before. Excellent. I can wear my slippers. I presume they're on my feet. I would like them on my ears, but you can't do that. Open the file. You can't open it. Examine file. It's made. Oh, that's sort of metal file. I thought it was like a file on somebody. I don't know. It's made of metal. Excellent. Hit wasps nest with file. stupid. No point asking me, telling to stick it in my ears. I've probably done that already. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. What an accurate depiction of a wasp nest. That's what it looked like. You see a wasp. Talk to a wasp. Go bzzz in the wasp's face. It will understand it. You don't need to understand it, fucker. Where am I now? I'm at the blacksmith's. I see nothing. I see nothing. Use furnace. What a strange place this is. I don't understand. You wouldn't fucking understand, would you? You daft bastard. Let's go back home. Let's go home. West. Flower bed. I can see nothing. I can see a parky. Talk to Parky. Parky's a park keeper. Pick up Parky and stick him in your ear, sir. Don't understand. You pick up the park keeper, you stick him in your ear. You stick it in one ear, it comes out the other ear. Cleans your ears out. What's that difficult to understand? Fucking game. Ugh, I hate games that are stupid. You can't go this way, the Parky's stopping you. Punch Parky in the face. Why is he stopping me? What's he got about me going bloody north? What's north? Bastard. Oh, where's that wasp? Stick a wasp nest on his head. Load of rubbish.